Hi everyone, how are you all? So today's tutorial is very special because we are going to make some super quick and easy gifts for our teachers for coming Teachers Day. And do let me know in the comment section below which one is your favorite DIY. And if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. So let's get started and make the first DIY, that is bookmark. To make this, I will be using watercolor, one paper, brush and spray bottle. Start making the pattern accordingly. This is totally up to you. आपको जो भी पैटर्न पसंद है, comfortable हो जिसमें आप, you can make that. You can take any other color. So मैं आपको fast forward करके दिखाती हूँ. Quickly you can make these kind of flowers because ये हमारा background होगा. So try to make it as light as possible, and then you can write your quotes on that. To write the quotes, I am using this glitter pen. And to highlight it more, I am using one dark pen. And to make the tassel, I am using this thread. This thread ko you just have to take this much only and then cut it. Tie a knot in the center and then on the top. Now cut the thread from the bottom and open it. This looks really pretty on any of the bookmark or any of the gifts you're giving to anyone. Now we are going to make a hole with a paper puncher, and then we are going to tie this with a bookmark. So this is how it's going to look. This is super classy and easy to make. The next DIY is on the stone. So for that I will be taking one stone, an acrylic color. If you have a white color stone, you can straight away go and paint it. But if you don't have this, you have to paint it white. And to make the sky, I'm using this blue color. आप कोई भी pattern बना सकते हैं. I have taken this tree and then 2 or 3 birds are sitting on that. One is teacher and 2 are student. This is super quick and easy. इसमें bird बनाना, पेड़ बनाना और स्टूडेंट्स बनाना बहुत ही इजी है. इसमें कोई बहुत ज़्यादा आपको आर्ट की ज़रूरत नहीं है. एंड ये वाइट मार्कर से मैं इसमें छोटे छोटे स्नो एंड फ्लावर्स बना रही हूँ. देन यू कैन राइट योर कोट, थैंक यू फॉर हेल्पिंग मी ग्रो, एंड देन यू कैन मेक अ ब्यूटिफुल मून. एंड आवर सेकंड DIY इज़ रेडी. Third DIY is super quick and super easy. For this I am taking this craft paper, this dahi ka container, one jute rope. इस टाइप से you have to cover it. इसको cover करने के बाद we are going to stick this jute rope, something like this, and we are going to make it as a planter. You can always use it as a pen stand as well, and giving a planter is also a very different gift. You can gift it to your teachers, so you can write whatever quotes you wish. And you can put the plant inside the planter, and your third DIY is ready. Now the fourth one I'm going to make is a rose. To make a rose, I'm going to take this felt paper. This felt paper is very easily available. If you don't get felt paper, you can take any other paper. We just have to cut it like this. And start rolling it from outside. इसको आप रोल करते जाइए and you will see a beautiful rose is coming up here. And ये last part को we are going to stick with any glue you have. And with the green felt paper we are going to make leaf. And one stick I am going to take. इन सबको hot glue gun से मैं चिपकाऊंगी. And a beautiful rose is ready. If you're liking this video, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to our channel. And along with, you can gift a pen as well. Now next DIY is a keychain. Now to make the keychain, I am going to take hot glue gun. I will be making a circle, something like this, and I'm going to put hot glue gun all around the circle. And then I'm going to sprinkle some of the star glitter. Now make another hot glue gun circle. And now we are going to stick them both. And one side we have stars, another side I'm going to paint it with Posco marker, gold color. And now you can write Happy Teacher's Day or Best Teacher, whatever you wish to write. If you don't have Posco marker, you can always go for any other color you have. And then again we are going to make one tassel. If you're liking this video, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to our channel. Now tassel is ready, our keychain is ready, and I'm going to take one key just like that, and we are going to assemble them all together. And I'm going to make one hole here so that we can hang them all together. And our keychain is almost ready. Now next DIY is one of my favorite one. In this I'm going to take one diary, I'm going to take one craft paper, one jute paper, and any other paper you have. So in this I'm going to paste this beautiful craft paper on the top of the book. Then we are going to stick this jute paper on that. If you're liking this video, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to our channel. And then you can write any quotes and stick those quotes here on the top of the book. And at the end I'm going to take some flowers and I'm going to paste it there in the corner of the book. So our book is also ready, and do let me know in the comment section below which one is your favorite DIY. And if you are new to our channel, do subscribe to our channel and hit the ring bell for the notifications of new videos I post almost every week. And if you are new to our channel, watch my other videos as well. Till then, see you next time. Bye bye.